after Uttar Pradesh University expelled 67 Kashmiri students for allegedly cheering for Pakistan during a cricket match. Now reports indicate that the students have been booked for sedition by the Uttar Pradesh police. For a moment, let's look at the nature of the action taken by the university. Some students reportedly cheered for Pakistan during a cricket match. Now, according to the university, since nobody really owned up for doing so, believe it or not, all of 67 students of Kashmiri origin were suspended en masse. And now, adding insult to injury, these students have been booked for sedition. The police have made it clear that though they have not named anyone in the FIR on university's request, investigations will be carried out.
जो पाकिस्तान और इंडिया का मैच हुआ था क्रिकेट का, पाकिस्तान के जीतने के बाद में 9 साढ़े 9 बजे रात के आसपास में सुभारती कॉलेज में लड़के टीवी देख रहे थे। उसमें से पाकिस्तान के जीतने के बाद कुछ लड़कों ने नारे लगा दिए। उसमें लड़कों से फिर बहस हुई और उसके बाद फिर उन्होंने फर्नीचर में तोड़फोड़ की। इस संबंध में पीके गर्ग रजिस्ट्रार के प्रार्थना पत्र के आधार पर थाना जानी में मुकदमा अपराध संख्या 113, 124A, 153A और 427 भारतीय दंड विधान के अंतर्गत अभियोग।
But obviously there is shock and anger in Kashmir over what many are calling an extreme reaction. Now questions are being asked of the university authorities as to why action was taken against the students without any proper investigation being done in the matter. The en masse expulsion has also raised many questions. Now the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, has raised questions as to whether the UP police overstepped its boundaries.
There has been a lot of outrage across social networking after what happened to those two Kashmiri students in Meerut here. Leading the outrage, of course, is Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah here. I'll read out some of the tweets in which he says that sedition charge against Kashmiri students is an unacceptably harsh punishment that will ruin the futures and will further alienate them. He concludes by saying that he has just spoken to the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, who has assured him that he will personally look into the matter of Kashmiri students in Meerut. The outrage echoed by Omar Abdullah has also been reflected on other tweets from common citizens here. Some of them I'll just read out. India accusing innocent Kashmiris of sedition and Pakistan should be reflecting on its Kashmir policy. Talk about losing the plot. He then goes on to say that some members who were happy when a school threw out students for not participating in Narendra Modi's run are happy with the arrest of these Kashmiri students here. And finally, Surya Narayan Ganesh saying, why didn't police arrest BJP India Home Minister L.K. Advani for going to Pakistan and praising Jinnah? Kashmiri students are just children.
वहाँ के लड़के जो थे उन्होंने हम पर गालियाँ शुरू कर दी। सर फिर हम अपने हॉस्टल की तरफ जा रहे थे तो वो हमारे पीछे पीछे आए और जब हम हमारे 2 हॉस्टल हैं, एक MLD और दूसरा VHR। हम जो सेकंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो हम VHR में रहते हैं और जो सीनियर्स हैं हमारे 3rd ईयर फाइनल ईयर और वो MLD में रहते हैं। सर फिर हम अपने हॉस्टल में चले गए तो कुछ लड़कों ने हमारे कमरों पे पत्थर मारे, शीशे तोड़ दिए हमारे कमरों पे और फिर वहाँ से हमने वार्डन को बुलाया। सर ये हुआ, उसको हमने फ़ोन किया तो वो उसने देखा। सर फिर हम रात भर घबराहट हमें थी और हम एक दूसरे के कमरे में सोए 5-6 लड़के। सर फिर जब सुबह आया लड़के कॉलेज गए थे, हमारा एग्ज़ाम चल रहा था। सर फिर 1 बजे में पता चला कि आप 3 दिनों के लिए सस्पेंड हो कॉलेज से और 5,000 आप पर फाइन।
And it's a NewsX exclusive. Senior leader of the BJP, Kirti Azad, has come out to shockingly back the expulsion of 67 students from the valley who were asked to leave the university after they allegedly cheered for Pakistan during a cricket match.
If somebody is appreciating and celebrating Pakistani win, being an Indian, I think it's treason. That's one thing that we should realize.
Well, do join us tonight on Speak Out India at 8:30 p.m. as we discuss this issue and ask you to express yourselves. The question we are putting out: should Kashmiri students have been charged with sedition for cheering for Pakistan? Have police overreacted by booking students who Omar Abdullah claims were misled? Those are the questions we're asking you tonight. Call us and express yourselves on the number that's flashing on your screen tonight on Speak Out India with me.